Exercise number 33. Start. We have also examined sections 61, 72 and 142 of the Customs Act to consider the question of whether the Customs Act confers and creates statutory first charge on the customs dues, and are of the opinion that the sections do not incorporate a statutory first charge to override the general law, as per the dictum in Dina Bank. Stop. The provisions of the Land Revenue Enactment applicable in the present case have not been relied upon by the respondents, in which event, a legal issue relating to conflict of laws would have arisen and required an answer. Stop. The provisions in the Customs Act do not, in any manner, negate or override the statutory preference in terms of Section 529A of the Companies Act, which treats the secured creditors and the workmen's dues as overriding preferential creditors, and the government dues limited to debts due and payable in the 12 months next before the relevant date, which are to be treated as preferential payments under Section 530 of the Companies Act, but are ranked below overriding preferential payments and have to be paid after the payment has been made in terms of Section 529 and 529A of the Companies Act. Stop. Therefore, the prior secured creditors are entitled to enforce their charge, notwithstanding the government dues payable under the Customs Act. Stop. Para. The view and the ratio we have expressed is in consonance with the decision of this court in Punjab National Bank versus Union of India and others. Stop. A similar view has also been expressed by a 3 judges bench of this court in Sundaresh Bhatt, liquidator of ABG Shipyard versus Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, with references to the provisions of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, 2016 and the Customs Act. Stop. In this context, the 3 judges bench in Sundaresh Bhatt, liquidator of ABG Shipyard, has referred to Section 238 of the IBC to observe that Section 238 of the IBC clearly overrides any provision of law which is inconsistent with the IBC. Stop. This judgment has also made reference to Section 142A of the Customs Act, which reads to make recovery consistent to the other laws enforceable under the nation's acts, enforceable as such in the country. Stop. Para. Notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in any central act or state act, any amount of duty, penalty, interest or any other sum payable by an assessee or any. Stop.